Hello everyone, my name is Phoenix, and in this video I will tell you about Behavior Viewer mod. I'm working on the Behavior Patcher mod, which allows modifying behavior directly in the game. To verify the correctness of these changes, I created this viewer. This mod is similar to the Skyrim behavior tool. You'll be able to observe the behavior graph, nodes, and connections. As you can see, I've tried to maintain the colors of nodes. For example, this node is a state machine, and its children are states. Now I'll tell you about mod features, and the first one is highlighting active nodes. As you can see, some nodes have a white border. This indicates that the node is active at the moment. For instance, I'm currently standing still without a weapon. The flow goes to the root state, then to the state machine, then to the default state, from which it goes to the hand-to-hand related state, which sends control to another child graph. If I pick up a weapon, the control flow changes. The beginning is the same, but in the state machine default behavior, the flow goes to the child graph 1HM behavior. So, with this feature, you can track the entire control flow, starting from the root down to the leaf nodes. The next function is hiding children. Similar to SBT, you can hide a node's children if they are not of interest or to make the graph less cluttered. You can hide both individual nodes and all their children by clicking the appropriate button on the right panel. Below, you can see additional information about the node. This information depends on its type. For example, for a state node, you see transitions from it. It shows the event name, the transition name, and the destination state. For a modifier node, it lists information about its modifiers. For every node, including the manual selector generator, it shows bindings. For example, this generator selects a child based on the iWriteHand variable. Below are the transitions depending on the variable's value. 3 entries, 3 children. In the last panel, there are several useful tabs. The Behavior tab displays all graphs belonging to this behavior. You can navigate to them by clicking on the behavior. Another way is finding a link node and clicking the button. The Search tab is for searching nodes. To find a node, enter a string and press Enter. It will show all nodes containing your string. You can also jump to them. The Info tab currently doesn't have any useful info. I use it for debugging. The Active Nodes tab lists active nodes in the current graph. You can jump to them in the same way as well. Now let's try attacking. I start an attack, moving diagonally, and pause the game. Now I can trace the control flow or jump through active nodes. At the moment, 2 blenders are active, forward and right. Each blends 2 animations. You see the blender parameter, speed, and all active clip information. Look, I'm hitting, and the active nodes are changing. Lastly, let's talk about target selection. You can select any character and observe its behavior in real time. To do this, select them in the console and press the button. By default, the player is selected. You can monitor the behavior of any creature. For example, this is how a wolf behaviors look. Only two graphs. That is the mod. I hope it will help both experienced developers and beginner behavior modders. Enjoy!